everyone, I have a guest. Hey, say hi. Hi. Oh, so cute. Say hi, viewers. Hi, welcome to my channel. Hello everyone! So it's the 8th of September right now and may dumating na package or delivery kanina. This two nagsabay talaga sila. So kanina lang dumating yung dalawang items or parcel na ito. So unahin na natin itong muna. Okay, so let's first open this. Hindi ko pa siya na-open. Wala kanina. Kami na naman kaming bubble wrap na napapaglaruan. So, this one, grabe, ang dami nung bubble wrap. Ang daming bubble wrap! I'm so happy for the bubble wrap. Oops! Yan, ito na yung dalawang items. Yes, dalawang items na po. One is this, universal stands for online class. Then, tada! Large ba to? Nag-order ako ulit na large na gorilla pot. So, it comes with a free phone holder. Ayan siya, guys. And kailangan ko pang tanggalin yung malaking screw or something, tornilyo dito. Ano ko ba ito? Madali lang siyang kunin and tada! Ito na siya. Yung lalagyan ng camera. So, yung phone holder gagamitin ko para rin sa online class. Okay, let's try to put this camera here. Ayan, gamit ko na ngayon guys yung gorilla pad na pinakita ko or in-order ko. And it's very good, it's sturdy, and very affordable. Okay, so let's proceed with the main highlight. So, this one, I ordered it last August 31 ata. And dumating siya dito sa Iloilo ngayon, September 8. Mabilis yung shipment and nakabalot siya nung bubble wrap na may tatakpan ng shop. So, I bought this at One Stop Quiapo, yung name nung shop sa Shopee. Isang set na siya nung ring light. So, let's unbox this! Thank you so much, Ninja Fan. So, tingnan natin, baka may damage or what. Then, I will give an honest review later to try natin kung may light. Ang hirap-hirap naman po. Pero, thank you kasi ang ganda kasi nakabalot ng bubble wrap and safe yung items. Sana nga. Okay, tada! Nakunan natin yung bubble wrap na mapaglalaroan na po namin ni Fiona. And maganda siya, oh. Tingnan nyo, may logo ng shop. Nakalagay, syempre na, fragile. Oh! Very satisfying. Hindi marunong humawak ng scissors. Tada! Iyan! Itong in-order ko ay set na nung ring light. So, may tripod na siya, may phone holder, and yung ring light mismo. Oh, nice! Naka-bubble wrap yung mismong ring light ulit. Price pala nakalimutan ko. So, I bought this ring light set for only $379. Then, nag-atago ng $180 for the shipping fee kasi mabigat siya, kaya mahal yung shipping fee. And the ring light, this is it. And, I have here the tripod. Oops. Nasaan yung phone holder? So, first impression, it's good. Yung packaging, very secure talaga siya. Tripod pala na binili ko ay 2.1 meters. Ito na yung pinakamahaba sa kanilang variation. So, ito na yung tripod. Tada! Ito siya. Ito pala, pwede pa siyang maging sobrang haba. Kasi 2.1 liters ito. So, yan siya guys, yung ring light. Kasi hindi ako marunong kung paano i-set up. Pero, carry naman. Akala ko kanina hindi siya flexible kasi wala akong power or energy nung pag ganun ko. Pero flexible naman siya. And ilalagay na natin yung phone holder niya dito. Ayan, tignan niyo. Ayan na siya. Yes. And it's set up. Tapos ko nang set up. Yay! What? 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 Diyos ko, ginawa ko. Let's try to turn it on. Try ko nga kung kasha yung phone. Ayan. Kasha siya. So, yan. I'm back. I got this extension. Kasi nga yung power outlet dito. Okay, we have here yung kanyang button. Power button. And may adjust. Pwede mong i-adjust dito yung brightness niya. So, let's turn it on. Uy! Ooh! Wala, grabe. Yeah, ang ganda. Ang liwanag niya. Against the light siya, guys. So, ganyan ko lang muna. And try natin. Kasi sabi sa may 3 different modes siya. Yan, warm light ata yan. Ganito, cool. Cool ba to? And, ito pala cool. Ayan, warm. Ito yung normal. Then, pwede mo siyang i-lessen yung brightness. Try natin. Ayan. Yan yung pinakamababa niya. And then, yung pinaka-brightness niya. Ayan. Ayan. So, I'll take a video here para makita niyo yung kanyang effect. So, yan siya guys. Kita niyo ba yung effect niya? So, let's try to change again mode. Ayan, yung cool light. Ito yung warm. And then the normal one. So, pag binabaan ko yung brightness, ito siya, yung pinakamababa. And pag pinasan ko naman ito, pinakamataas na brightness. Ito siya. So, all good. Ang ganda ng kanyang quality. Yes, super worth it. So, again, I bought this everything from One Stop Quiapo. Yung ko kanina, yung tripod is from, putan ko yung shop. Ilalagay ko na dito. Ting! Ayan. So, ayan siya guys. Ginagamit ko na yung ring light at the moment. And maganda siya. Pero yung camera ko hindi ko na-focus. And maganda siya for making TikTok videos, for vlogging, for online classes. Basta maganda rin siyang lighting. Pwede mo rin siyang gawing study lamp. So, complete set na siya. May ring light, may phone holder, may tripod. Laki na yung size ng ring light for its price na 300 plus. So, that's it for this video. If you have any suggestion, comments, or questions, feel free to comment down below. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So thank you all for watching. Bye-bye!